Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedrin. Reggae Sumfest partners with Ray and Nephew. The alcohol brand last week Wednesday inked a 3-year partnership as major sponsors of Reggae Sumfest. The undisclosed figure has energized organizer of Reggae Sumfest, Joseph Bogdanovich, who labeled the partnership a celebration.
It's clear that this partnership is more than just a collaboration between two entities. It's a celebration of Jamaican culture, unity and excellence. For years, Reggae Sumfest has been a beacon of our island's musical heritage, captivating audiences around the globe. And now, with the support of Jay, Ray, and Nephew, we're poised to take our festival to even greater heights. And I'd like to see more sponsors to jump on board.
Bogdanovich also indicated that the brands not only align on music, but on the environment.
But our partnership extends beyond just entertainment. We share a common commitment to sustainability and environmental stewardship. While J. Ray and Nephew's significant investment in combating waste, we are proud to align our efforts in protecting the environment for future generations.
Bogdanovich emphasized that Reggae Sumfest substantially contributes to Brand Jamaica's growth. Reggae Sumfest is Jamaica's biggest reggae and dancehall festival. Dexter Daps announces Trilogy 2.0 tour. On Monday, the Wi-Fi hitmaker announced additional concert dates via social media for the second leg of his tour dubbed Trilogy Tour 2.0. The tour will see stops in the US scheduled for April through to July. Dexter, who has been on a cross-continental promotional tour for his Trilogy album, also mentioned in the caption that there will be other dates to be disclosed. The initial Trilogy tour in 2023 included stops in Jamaica, which got widespread support from local fans. Dexter's 5th studio album Trilogy was released in January and topped the iTunes reggae charts. Dancehall artist Skilly Bang scores his first UK Afrobeats #1 with Jump with South African sensation Tyler. The song features former YSL rapper Gunna and debuted at number 80 on the UK official singles chart. Tyler's art, produced by Sammy Sosa, enters the UK Afrobeats chart at number 2, marking her second appearance in the top 2 spot. The album features Travis Scott on the remix of her blockbuster song Water, Nigerian star Thames on number 1, and Calvin Momo on the introduction. The music video for Water remix, released prior to the album's release, has over 2 million views on YouTube. The original version of Water earned global popularity, topping the charts in 16 nations. I am Daedrin. Thank you for watching.